Hello everyone, welcome to Lavanya Tech Blocks. Today, let us do our day 3 coding. For that, let me open the VS Code. As you can see now, I have given the title as audio. Today, that means I am going to explain you about some audio files, how to add our audio files and how to control them over the source code. Now before this is my title tag I have given and I want to end up with in the header section I want to give one more element h1. Here I want to put it as audio and I want to style it text. First I want to do text align center. Next I want to increase font size like 2rem. Next let me give border like 5 pixel and let me make it little bold. Okay, let me do control S and just look in our live server. Okay, we have got a title as audio and let us go back to our code. Now let me give a horizontal line. Now let me start the body section. Inside the body section I want to give my audio files, some audio files here. For that let me start element audio. After this let me go with source from where I want to take the source attribute and let me go with the source. Now I have already taken the audio files and I will show you how to take the audio files even. Let me click to my Chrome. Now see here. Now you have to search for audio library. This is the audio library YouTube. Where you can go. Just click on this link. And from here you can download all these and use it as, and you can use them as these are free and you can use from here. And let me go back and I have downloaded already a two types, silent night and going home, two types of audio files. and I kept in my files, and I am going to copy this from here. Control C. I'm just going to place here. Control V. Now as you have observed, let me go and check in my output. Control S. Just check in your output. Here no type of file is there. So when we want to get the file over our output, over the web page, now let's go to the VS Code, and in the audio element near the audio tag, let us write here as controls. Let us write here as controls. So just do Control S and check into your live server. As you have seen here, your audio has been started. You can mute it, you can play it, you can stop it, play it, and it is muted. And even you can increase the playback speed, or you can download it. All these actions you can do. But again, go back to your audio, go back to your code. Now I want to make it to autoplay. And go back to your, just do Control S. See, you are able to see the music. That means in our live server it started already to autoplay by itself. This is not good, so let me stop this. When there is an autoplay, there should be some muted. So go back to the code and give here muted. Now just do Control S and go back to your live server, to the web page. Now see, automatically your sound has been muted. Now even you can go back and give the loop. That means you can end up and stop from anywhere. Now go back to the live server and check. See, it is already muted. Now you can look, you can rewind back, you can move it forward, you can move it forward, end it, rewind it, stop anywhere you want, start from anywhere you want. All this now you can do it. This is how you are going to insert a audio files by using the elements. Now let us go back to our code. Now in between of this code, I want to write, in between the body section itself, I want to write a paragraph, like mentioning my file name, like going to, let it be, okay, take it, going home, as my audio name is going home. Okay, and let my font size be, style be, color, it's like blue, and let font size be, text align center, and let my font size be 2 rem. No, already we have taken it as 2 rem, and I want to take it as 1 rem. Okay. Now even this audio play, let us give some changes here. It should be closed. Now let I set this. Okay, just go here and give one more horizontal line here, and I want to take my one more file of this audio. Control C and just Control V. Now I want to change this source code. Now let me go for silent night. Just do Control C and just paste here as Control V, and let me give in the paragraph as silent night. Let me give it a silent night. Let me make this text transform to uppercase or maybe like capitalize. Now even here I want to make it as text transform to capitalize. Okay, just do Control S. Now just go to the live server and check. Okay, audio. These are our audio files. Going home, silent night, and I want to show you how to add an image into this code. Now just go here. Now let us do how to add an image and how to add a GIF file. Now here, before I want to take one more heading like H2 and write here like image file, image of a cute image of flock of dogs or group of dogs, you can call it. Enter and take the image. Now you have to take the source of the image. Click over this and close this. Now I want to show you the Google. Go to the Google. Now here ask for dogs images. Now here there is a dog. See. Now before taking this dog, let me take this dog, or let me search for some group of dogs. Okay, here some multiple dogs. Now before taking this, right click here, save image as, and go wherever you want to save this image. I want to save it on the desktop in my images folder. Save it here. Now go to your download and look at your image. Okay, now your image is here in the download. Now go back. Now to add this, just I am minimizing to show you. See in the images. Now when I want to add this to my web page, when I click over this, go for show more options and look into your properties. You'll find it as a type of a file is JPG. When and only it is JPG, you can copy this. Now you can just rename this. You can rename, show more options. Just click on this rename. See, now you can rename this by renaming this, and you can put as I'm giving a name of oof. And next, now you can copy this. You can do Control C and just go back to your source code, and in this you can go for a file, and just here you can just paste it, Control V, and it is asking, are you sure you want to paste oof.jpg? Paste. Now this is how you are going to add into your files in the VS Code. Now let me copy this file. Now this file, Control C, just paste it here as Control V. Now you can, this is the image source, then you can give the height and width of this. Height equal to some like 200, and you can also give width. Width equal to 200, and just do Control S and check with your live server. It is a image of flock of dogs, and let us add one more like GIF. Get in and just close with HR. Now here let me say, it as, let me end this h2 tag here, and let me make this as center. Let me apply the style equal to height, color, margin, font size, background color. Let me make it as text style and text decoration, overflow, text shadow, transparency, align center. Just do once Control S and check it. Go to your live server, and automatically image of flock of dogs has come to the center. As you have seen clearly, it has been come to the center. Now let us go back and make this image of flock of dogs on the top. Let me go to the code. Image of flock of dogs. Okay, then let me change this. Okay, now let me have here like a command called break. Now let me see. Now I want to take one more GIF file. So let me give h3 and take it as doc gif, and let me change the style. Font family, let me give it like Lucida Sans. Okay, and let me make it as font weight or font style. I want to make font size larger, and let me make font weight 300, and let me change text transform. No need transform. Text transform, capitalize, and let me make here image. Text transform for capitalize, and let me make it as text overflow inherent, and let me do control S and look at my output. Now here I want to apply one more GIF, so take again the image, take the image and source attribute. Now here I have taken already here as I showed how to copy and paste. I want to add this as Control C. I am just pasting here Control V and just closing this, Control S, and just go and look in your live server. As you are not able to see, let me make it. See, this is playing here, and let it make it center. Let I make it into center. Now let I write the style. Text transform. Okay, it is not text transform. Let me make it as text align center. Just do Control S, and automatically automatically doc.gif also came into the center. And this is how we are going to add your gif or your images into the, or even the audio files or video files into your web page. And thank you, keep watching for more videos.